The dawn reveals a masterpiece of industrial precision. This is where the iconic Sprinter Ambulance begins its... The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Ambulance begins with premium automotive-grade raw materials. Every component is inspected before production starts. Massive steel coils are flattened with precision-controlled rollers. This prepares perfectly level panels for cutting. Fiber lasers cut every body panel with millimeter accuracy. Each blank is prepared for forming. Powerful stamping presses form the ambulance body panels. Every curve matches Mercedes-Benz factory specifications. Precision trimming removes excess material. Mounting points are machined automatically. Robotic welding creates an exceptionally strong body shell. Every weld is monitored for consistency. Laser inspection confirms exact body geometry. Only perfect frames continue forward. Weld seams are polished for strength and appearance. The body is prepared for corrosion protection. A zinc phosphate layer protects the steel. This dramatically improves corrosion resistance. Chemical washing removes every trace of oil. A perfectly clean surface ensures lasting protection. Electrocoating reaches areas paint cannot. Every hidden cavity receives rust protection.
The protective primer is permanently cured. The body is now ready for exterior paint.
Robotic sprayers create a flawless white finish. The coating remains perfectly uniform.
A crystal-clear protective layer seals the paint. It enhances durability and shine.
The painted body is baked to automotive standards. Next comes the complete vehicle assembly process. The cured body advances to final vehicle assembly. The rolling chassis is prepared for marriage. The steel chassis forms the ambulance's foundation. Every mounting point is verified before assembly. The front suspension ensures precise handling. Every fastener is tightened to exact specifications. The reinforced rear suspension supports emergency equipment. It is built for maximum durability.
The advanced braking system is assembled with precision. Safety begins long before the ambulance reaches the road.
The powerful Mercedes-Benz diesel engine enters production. It is prepared for installation. The engine is lowered with millimeter accuracy. Every mount is aligned perfectly.
The transmission transfers engine power efficiently. Precision assembly ensures smooth operation. The drive shaft links engine power to the rear axle. Precise balancing minimizes vibration. The fuel system is installed with sealed connections.
Every joint is checked for reliability.
The exhaust system meets strict emission standards. It is securely mounted beneath the chassis. The steering system provides precise vehicle control. Every connection is digitally verified. Heavy-duty wheels prepare the ambulance for demanding service. Each wheel is torque-tested automatically. The body and chassis become one complete vehicle. This critical step is called the body marriage. The body is permanently secured to the chassis. Next, the vehicle transforms into a fully equipped emergency ambulance. The body is permanently secured to the chassis. Next, the vehicle transforms into a fully equipped emergency ambulance. The completed Sprinter now enters the ambulance conversion line. This is where it becomes a life-saving emergency vehicle. The completed Sprinter now enters the ambulance conversion line. This is where it becomes a life-saving emergency vehicle.
Thermal and acoustic insulation improves patient comfort. It also reduces outside noise during emergencies.
Dedicated wiring powers every emergency system. Each circuit is carefully labeled and protected.
The electrical control center manages every onboard system. Redundant circuits improve operational reliability.
Did you torque that to spec? Yeah, 20 foot-pounds. Okay, let's get the bracket secured now.
The anti-slip floor provides a safe working surface. It is designed for easy cleaning and durability.
Medical-grade wall panels create a hygienic environment. They resist moisture and simplify disinfection. Bright LED lighting improves visibility during patient care. The ceiling integrates lighting and ventilation. The climate system maintains patient comfort. Filtered airflow supports a clean medical environment. Medical storage cabinets organize emergency supplies. They are securely mounted for safety. The treatment workstation gives paramedics quick access to equipment. Every surface is sealed for hygiene.
The oxygen system provides life support capability. Every connection is pressure tested for safety.
The suction system assists emergency airway treatment. It is tested before patient equipment is installed.
Specialized seating keeps medical staff secure. Every seat is tested for strength and safety.
The powered stretcher locking system is tested for reliability. Next, the ambulance receives its advanced emergency equipment. The powered loading system reduces lifting effort. It allows faster and safer patient transport. Reinforced mounting systems secure critical medical devices. They are designed to withstand emergency driving conditions. Life-saving medical equipment is now integrated. Every device is connected to dedicated power circuits. Reliable communication keeps emergency crews connected. Multiple wireless systems operate simultaneously. The driver receives full control of emergency systems. Every function is available from a single console. The LED roof light bar becomes the ambulance's primary warning system. It is securely sealed against harsh weather. Additional warning lights improve visibility from every direction. They maximize safety during emergency response. Powerful electronic sirens alert surrounding traffic. The speakers are carefully aligned for maximum output. The warning systems undergo their first live test. Every flash pattern and siren tone is verified. Reflective graphics improve visibility day and night. Every marking is precisely aligned. Exterior accessories improve safety and accessibility. They are built for years of emergency service. The driver cabin receives its final finishing touches. Everything is assembled for comfort and control. Advanced safety systems require precise electronic calibration. Every sensor is tested before road evaluation. Engine, safety, and medical systems are electronically verified. Every module must pass before approval. Every seal is tested under simulated extreme weather. The ambulance passes its water tightness inspection successfully. The vehicle now undergoes its final quality inspection. Every surface is checked for perfection. Every medical component is individually tested. Nothing is overlooked before delivery. Every electrical system operates under maximum load. The ambulance proves its reliability. The engine and transmission are tested without leaving the factory. Performance is verified under controlled conditions. Emergency braking performance is precisely measured. Balanced braking is essential for patient safety. Laser alignment ensures stable handling. Every wheel is adjusted to factory specifications. The ambulance is ready for its first real drive. Every movement will be closely monitored. The proving ground confirms real-world performance. Engineers evaluate every response. The ambulance is tested under emergency conditions. Every system performs exactly as designed. One final inspection confirms flawless performance. The vehicle is approved for finishing. The exterior receives its final professional polish. The finish shines like new. The completed ambulance begins its journey.
It is ready to serve communities around the world.
From raw steel to a fully equipped emergency ambulance, every step is engineered with precision. Now it's ready to save lives wherever it's needed.